Check out Makita's brand new XGT 40V Max 180mm or 7-inch brushless polisher. It's got a nice soft start and the brushless motor has constant speed control, so when you bear down on the polisher, it doesn't bog down. But you do have a lot of speed control with the variable speed trigger. You've also got a dial for setting your max speed, so you can set it from max speed of 600 RPM all the way up to 2200 RPM. And other than having the button to lock the trigger on, so you can just focus on your grip and control of the polisher, there's no other controls to worry about. Everywhere you touch the tool or the tool might touch your work surface, it's covered with a nice rubber overmold, including under the battery mount and on top of the tool if you rest it down with the pad up. And the tool comes with both a reversible side handle and a D-grip that gives you lots of options for application and comfort. There's filters on the air intakes, both sides of the polisher. They're easy to remove and the tool comes with spares as well. The tool comes standard with a backing pad and a 180mm wool pad, but there's a whole range of pads and accessories available for this polisher now too. All the XGT batteries fit on this tool, although it feels most balanced with a 4Ah battery, and it comes with a 4Ah battery and charger in the combo kit. And with that 4Ah XGT battery, I got 61 minutes of continuous runtime. Lightweight, nicely balanced, very easy to use. It's available now in the Makita aisle for your local Sydney Tools store. You can go to sydneytools.com.au for more information on this tool. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.